Hawasan technology is a unique environmental-friendly technology created to control diseases, their causes, as well as all the biological risks. Hawasan technology is a safe, non-toxic, odorless, colorless disinfectant and doesn't get affected with any temperature or pH, in addition to its effectiveness against all types of bacteria, viruses, spores, algae, and fungi. Hawasan technology is a unique formulation made of colloid of silver incorporated in hydrogen peroxide that doesn't need rinsing after any type of disinfection process. Hawasan technology is strongly effective 1,000 times more than normal peroxide, especially when used in low concentrations, and it completely destroys any type of microorganisms. This special and unique technology can be constantly used in the disinfection of floors, surfaces, walls, production lines in different fields like food, medical, and water sectors. Hawasan technology and its products can be prepared easily to a simple way. The solution can be prepared with an appropriate concentration for fogging machines, spraying machines, dosing pumps, or for any other use. The poultry industry is one of the sectors that highly needs and uses the German disinfection technology Hawasan and its products during the different production phases. Al Rawda Poultry Farms is considered to be one of the most important productive poultry farms in UAE that apply this modern technology during all its production phases. Al Rawda Poultry Farms are located 45 km away from Dubai on the Dubai Al Ain Road on an approximately 25,000 square meter land. This farm has more than 80 broiler rooms to raise and feed the chicken that can handle 22,000 chicken per cycle. The farm also includes hatching units to produce chicks, in addition to automatic slaughterhouses. There is also a laboratory that contains the best techniques that guarantees high-quality products and a production process that proceeds according to high-quality international standards. The farm also includes a water treatment and purification plant and various locations to prepare and disinfect the trucks of the farm. On top of this comes an experienced team that works in a unique, healthy environment and as a result was able to show great success. We present to you the use of Hawasan technology and its products in the poultry industry, taking Al Rawda farm as a good example. Al Rawda applies the biosecurity program very accurately, which helps in producing a high-quality product, where a disinfection system is used starting from the farm gate for all vehicles, trucks and visitors using the German disinfection technology Hawasan. The imported eggs are brought in special trucks designed to transfer eggs from airport to the hatching unit. These trucks are usually cleaned and disinfected carefully from the inside and outside using the Hawasan technology with a concentration of 2% for the floor, surfaces and walls. All workers follow a regular daily self-cleaning and sterilizing system before entering the broiler farms, where all footwear is disinfected with the Hawasan solution with a concentration of 2%. In addition, hands are washed and cleaned carefully with the Hawasan product with a concentration of 2%. After these two procedures, all workers wear special wares that are readily sterilized and specially prepared as a final hygienic phase. In addition, all surfaces, floors, walls and production lines are disinfected by using the Hawasan technology with a concentration of 1 to 2%, which means adding 1 to 2 liters of Hawasan to each 100 liters of water. Hawasan technology is also used in the fogging procedure of the hatching and egg stores with a concentration of 1 to 2%, which means 50 ml to 100 ml in each 5 liter of water using special fogging machines. All trolleys, metallic surfaces of tables, plastic boxes prepared to be filled with chicks has to be washed with specially prepared machines that are disinfected with the Hawasan technology and its products with a 2% concentration. And after washing, all the pre-stated tools are disinfected with Hawasan technology with a concentration of 1 to 2% using spraying machines. Chicks are received from the hatching machines and they get carefully placed in the cages to be transferred to the broiler farms. Chicks are transferred into the broiler units that are pre-prepared for this process and carefully disinfected according to the biosecurity system applied in the farm. Hawasan, our environmental friendly technology, is used to disinfect and sterilize all types of surfaces, floors, entries, feeding lines, drinking water lines, and Al-Bad tanks with a concentration of 1 to 2%. A microbiology sample should be taken to test the quality of the disinfection. Using the Hawasan technology with a concentration of 100 ml per 1 liter of water is very important to keep a safe environment and save it from any type of bacterial infection, also which increases the life of the using Al-Bad membrane. Hawasan technology is added to the water drunk by the chicks with a concentration of 20 to 30 ml per cubic meter of water, which improves their growth characteristics, since the solution doesn't have any negative physical or chemical effect on the water. At the same time, it reduces the medical costs in poultry industry to 30 to 35%. All tanks and feeding lines are disinfected with the Hawasan technology with a concentration of 1 to 2% between each cycle to prevent any type of injections that may occur in the feeding lines. In addition, the brush used to disinfect the floors inside the units are sterilized using the Hawasan solution with a concentration of 0.5 to 1% through direct spraying, and the fogging machines can also be used to sterilize the units with a concentration of 3 to 5% before transfer of the chicken, and also fogging with 1% once or twice a week during the presence of the chicken in the units. All chicken are grouped and transferred when reaching the appropriate age for slaughter in plastic cages and trucks that were disinfected beforehand using the Hawasan technology. The automatic slaughterhouses are prepared for the slaughter by cleaning and disinfecting the lines, floors and walls for not less than 20 minutes before starting using the Hawasan solution with a concentration of 1 to 2%. At the same time, all other tools and tables are carefully cleaned and disinfected by the same way before the start of the slaughter. After that, chicken are hanged and slaughtered according to the Islamic way. Later, the birds enter the feather plucking phase, Iskaldar phase, and during that, Hawasan is used to disinfect the birds in a concentration of 0.5 to 1% in a water temperature that is not less than 55 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Then birds can be moved to the next phase. Later, the birds enter the feather plucking phase, the Iskaldar phase, and during that, Hawasan is used to disinfect the birds in a concentration of 0.5 to 1% in a water temperature that is not less than 55 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Then birds can be moved to the next phase. In the next phase, the head and feet of hanged poultry are cut mechanically by passing on special cutting machines. Next comes the chilling process, where the poultry are moved to the carefully disinfected cooling rooms by fogging them using the Hawasan technology with a concentration of 1%. Also, special fans can be used to cool the scalding area and the final washing area, where Hawasan is used with a concentration of 1% to control the hygiene of the slaughtering area. Finally, the poultry is weighed with the use of sensitive balances in grams and sorted in special boxes and containers according to the weight after filling in clean and well sterilized bags. All the production phases are supervised by the quality manager to ensure that all the products are according to international high quality and safety standards. Al Rawda Farms uses the Hawasan technology with all its different products during all their sterilization processes of all types of surfaces. These procedures, experiences and characteristics are the factors that leaded the company to be the first poultry company in the Gulf region that receives an ISO 22000 certificate. Ensures providing all the assistance, solutions, products and machines needed to their clients through their distributors network to guarantee for their clients reaching the high quality standards.
تعد تقنية هواسان أول تقنية في العالم صديقة للبيئة للقضاء والسيطرة على الكائنات الحية الدقيقة. هواسان غير سام، عديم الرائحة، لا يتأثر بدرجة حرارة أو وسط التعقيم، ثابت وفعال ضد جميع أنواع البكتيريات والفطريات والطحالب. هواسان معادلة فريدة من بيروكسيد الهيدروجين مع الفضة، ليس هناك حاجة إلى الغسيل والشطف أو التخلص منه بعد عملية التعقيم، كما أنه مناسب للاستخدام بطرق متعددة كالرش أو الغمر أو التضبيب أو الإضافة المباشرة. هواسان يتمتع بصلاحية أكثر من 2 عام وقوة قتل عالية ما يقرب من 1000 مرة من البيروكسيد العادي، شديد الفاعلية لا سيما في التركيزات القليلة منه، يقضي تماما على كافة الكائنات الحية الدقيقة الضارة في زمن التفاعل المناسب. هواسان هذه التقنية المميزة والفريدة جعلت من منتجات هواسان ميزة الاستخدامات المتعددة لتعقيم الجو والماء والأسطح والحوائط والأرضيات والمعدات وخطوط الإنتاج في مجالات متعددة مثل قطاع الأغذية والصناعات الغذائية والقطاع الطبي وقطاع المياه والصرف الصحي. ويتم تحضير الهواسان بطرق بسيطة لا تحتاج إلى كثير من التعقيد، بل يتم عمل المحلول ويحضر بالنسبة المنصوص عليها سواء أكان لماكينات الرش أو التضبيب أو أي غرض آخر. تعد صناعة إنتاج الدواجن من أهم الصناعات احتياجا وتطبيقا لتقنية التعقيم الألمانية هواسان ومنتجاتها في كافة مراحل الإنتاج. وتعد مزارع الروضة لإنتاج الدواجن بدبي واحدة من أهم مزارع الإنتاج الدواجني في الإمارات العربية المتحدة، التي تطبق هذه التقنية الحديثة في جميع مراحل إنتاجها. تقع مزارع الروضة على مسافة 45 كيلومترا من قلب دبي على طريق دبي العين على مساحة ما يقرب من 25 ألف متر مربع، وتضم المزارع أكثر من 80 عنبرا لتربية الدواجن وتسمينها، سعة كل منها ما يقرب من 22 ألف طير أثناء الدورة الواحدة. كما تضم المزارع معمل تفريخ لإنتاج الصيصان ومجزرا آليا مجهزا بأحدث التقنيات، وتضم معملا مجهزا بأحدث التقنيات الحديثة لتوفير شروط الجودة والسلامة وتحقيق الإنتاج تحت متطلبات الجودة والمواصفات القياسية العالمية. كما أن